Hello everyone. I am going to show you the latest trick to easily get 4,000 watch hours and monetize your channel. Make sure you watch to the end so that you don't miss any step. First, you need a fast internet connection, a laptop or desktop computer, and also at least 10 videos on your YouTube channel. Open your browser, then open YouTube. Sign out of your account. Then go to your browser's history and delete all your browsing history. After that, close your browser and open it again. Now open YouTube and search your YouTube channel. Go to your playlist and play all videos. Mute your video and then select the lowest quality. Now all you have to do is duplicate your tabs 10 times. For more watch hour, go to incognito mode and repeat the same process. If you like these tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel because I'm going to reveal how to get more subscribers soon.